convention.
Yeah, it's actually like it's a strep, right?
Okay.
Do you know rheumatic fever?
Yeah, I actually, I know that one. I actually had it as a kid.
Oh, you had rheumatic fever?
I got so I had when I was little. I had like a pediatrician who was out of town, and so we went to a different pediatrician who didn't really know my history, and I had strep, and he kept thinking it was just allergies. So he never treated the strep.
Oh my
and it
God.
ended up turning into rheumatic fever.
Holy shit! I thought it's like never happened in the States.
It doesn't. The only reason it happened is because he somehow thought my strep was allergies for like 3 weeks.
Wow.
And my mom kept going in because she's like, I know this isn't right. Like,
So you've been taking penicillin ever since?
No, I had it like they caught it fast enough that I didn't have like any like systemic effects. I just had like the like rashes and joint pains and that kind of stuff.
Oh, good for you, man. All right, that's good. Okay, I'll tell you the pathophysiology of your disease then. So,
Perfect.
A protein M is present on the streptococcus bacteria, specifically Streptococcus pyogenes, and it looks like a protein on our cardiac muscle, right? So the body actually mistakes, our cardiac proteins for the M protein.
Our own cardiac.
Yeah, so it starts attacking the heart instead.
Right.
And this is called molecular mimicry, and you could remember that from the M. So protein M, molecular mimicry.
Mimicry.
Okay.
Makes sense.